Welcome, my dear students. How are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class nursery. Our today's topic is write in words, part 1. Okay, and our today's lecture number is 10. Your homework, you have a homework, my dear students. Your homework number is 4. And I repeat, our topic is write in words. It's part 1. Okay, my dear students, now look at the board. It's a very easy topic, but it's a fast topic. Okay, our today's topic is write in words. This is our topic. Okay, write in words. And the question is, this is the question. Okay, write the following numbers in words. That means here will be some numbers given in the number. Okay, and we should write down this number in words. We should write down these numbers in words. Okay, now look, the first number, this is what? This is the first number, it is 1. Okay, so we should write down the spelling of 1. The spelling of 1 is what? O-N-E, 1. Okay, O-N-E, 1. Okay, this first number is 1 and the spelling of 1 is O-N-E, 1. After 1 we have the number 2. Okay, after 1 we have the number 2 and the spelling of 2 is T-W-O-2. Okay, T-W-O-2. After 2 the number comes which is 3. This number is 3, my dear students. How to write down 3? The spelling of 3 is T-H-R-E-E, 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. The next number is 4, my dear students. Okay, the spelling of 4 is F-O-U-R. F-O-U-R, 4. After 4 the number comes which is 5. This is 5 is given. We should write down the spelling of 5. Okay, 5. The number 5 is F-I-V-E, 5. Now after 5 we go to the right side, because in the left side we have done already. The right side we have the first number. This is number 6. Okay, this number is 6. The spelling of 6 is S-I-X. My dear students, it's so easy. S-I-X, 6. Okay, S-I-X, 6. The spelling of 6 is S-I-X, 6. Now this number is 7. Okay, this number is 7. The spelling of 7 is S-E-V-E-N, 7. Okay, S-E-V-E-N, 7. The spelling of 7 is S-E-V-E-N, 7. Now this number is 8. Okay, this is not 4, this is not Bengali. Okay, this is the number 8. The spelling of 8 is E-I-G-H-T, 8. Okay, E-I-G-H-T, 8. This is the number 9. The spelling of 9 is N-I-N-E, 9. N-I-N-E, 9. Okay, and the last number, today's last number is 1 and 0 makes the number 10. This is the spelling, this is number 10, and the spelling of 10 is T-E-N, 10. Okay, we have done already. Now my dear students, I am repeating you, the spelling of 1 is O-N-E, 1. Okay, the number 1 is O-N-E, 1. Okay, this is the number 2. The spelling of 2 is T-W-O, 2. This number is 3. The spelling of 3 is T-H-R-E-E, 3. The spelling of 4 is F-O-U-R, 4. My dear students, this number is 5. The spelling of 5 is F-I-V-E, 5. This is the number 6. The spelling of 6 is S-I-X, 6. This is the number 7. The spelling of 7 is S-E-V-E-N, 7. Now the number, this is 8. Okay, the spelling of 8 is E-I-G-H-T, 8. This number is 9. My dear students, the spelling of 9 is N-I-N-E, 9. This is our last number. 1, 10 and 0 ones make the number 10, and the spelling of 10 is T-E-N, 10. Now my dear students, you have a homework and your homework number is 4. You must mention the homework number in your HW copy. This is homework number 4 and the topic is write in words. After that you should write down this number and you must give the equal sign after the number. Okay, you must give the equal sign after the number, then you should write down the spelling of the numbers. Okay, I think you have understood my today's lecture, my dear students. Keep practicing more and more at home. Stay home, stay safe. See you again inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.